How to earn money reviewing music and fashion on Slicethepie. Ever wished you could earn some money by sitting at home in your pants listening to music? Now you can. How to make money on Slicethepie? By following these steps on Slicethepie, you can quickly start to earn money reviewing music and fashion items. Set up an account. First things first, click here to register for your Slicethepie account. Once your account is activated, you'll have to answer a few questions before you can start reviewing, like what kind of TV shows and music genres you're interested in. Then, after opening your account, you're ready to start earning straight away. Make sure you use the email address associated with your PayPal account because, otherwise, they won't be able to pay you. Write a review. You can review songs, clothes, accessories or adverts on Slicethepie. The process is very simple and easy to understand, but we'll take you through exactly how it works. Advert reviews. You could be shown a video advert or a trailer promoting a TV series and, while watching, you'd use a slider on the side of the screen to express your opinions. If you like what you see, you slide it up to the happy face. And, if you're not enjoying it, you slide it down to the sad face. If you don't move the slider for a while, the video will stop and you'll be reminded to keep moving it, which can be annoying if you really love, or really hate, the entire thing. Once the video is finished, you'll be asked to write a short review of a few sentences and rate the clip out of 10. Depending on the video, you might be asked a few more questionnaire-style questions on your thoughts. In your review, talk about the characters, the backdrop, the scripting and the atmosphere, and just generally what you think. Try to put your personal preferences to one side, though. It's no good saying you don't like a video about an action show simply because you don't like action. You have to be objective. Music reviews. Music reviews work in pretty much the same way as advert reviews, minus the slider. You'll be given a track to listen to and, although they can be quite long, you only have to listen to the first 90 seconds before you submit your review. You then need to write a few sentences discussing the vocals, composition, arrangement, rhythm, production quality, etc. and rate it out of 10, adding whether you would add it to a playlist or not. Try to always bear in mind the commercial potential of a track when you review it, too. Could it be a chart hit? Whether you like what you hear or not, reviews go straight to the artists themselves, anonymously. So, try to give them constructive feedback that will help them improve, and even point out specific bits in the song you like or dislike. Fashion reviews. For clothing reviews on Slicethepie, you'll be shown several images of a fashion item and they'll ask you to write about what you think of it in a box. You'll need to rate it out of 10 and indicate the price range that you would expect to pay for it. The item's description at the top will likely be super positive and try to sell it in a good light, but remember to stay as unbiased as possible. Give your honest opinion and consider whether you'd actually buy it if you saw it in a fashion store. Cash out your earnings from reviews. Money earned from your reviews will be added to your account balance, which is displayed in the top corner of the screen at all times. As soon as you've earned a minimum of $10, around £7-8, you'll be able to withdraw your earnings straight to PayPal. It can take several days for the payment to come through as the Slicethepie team will check your reviews before paying out. How much money can you make from online reviews? It's a fun way to earn some money, but Slicethepie is never going to make you a millionaire. Exactly how much you can earn depends on your star rating. You get a higher star rating the better your reviews are, so if you make them detailed, precise and useful, you'll get more stars. You can expect to earn anything between 1 cent-20 cents, less than 1p, 15p, per review. How much you get paid depends on the category, the demand and your consistency. Bonus reviews, for example, are paid at the higher end of the spectrum. What is classed as a bonus review changes on a regular basis. Some days it could be TV show reviews, other days it could be adverts, and so on. For the optimum cash-time ratio, we'd recommend sticking to the bonus reviews. This probably only works out at around $1-2, 80p-£1 and 60 pence, per hour, so if you don't enjoy doing it, we wouldn't recommend it as an efficient way to make money. There are other paid survey sites out there that are probably more worthwhile. Earn money from friend referrals. If you want to try and boost your Slicethepie profits, you can refer friends too. Unlike with most referral schemes, where you're given a one-off reward for referring someone, here you'll actually earn a 10% cut, or a slice of the pie you might say, every time your referred friends write a review for a whole year. Once you've registered, you'll be given a unique code that your friends can enter when signing up for an account. This will link your accounts together, and ensure you get your 10% commission on every review they submit. To find your link, just hit refer a friend at the top of the screen.